Hi everyone, it's Natalie and today I am here with a sticker haul and I've got some really fun things. So the first shop that I've got here is Arctic Paper Studio, which is one of my favorites for foiled stickers. She's based in Australia and everything's on glossy paper. So this is an order from one of her $2 Tuesdays. Her packaging's amazing, like all the time. She even like personalizes the envelope and it's just gorgeous. So this is one from one of her $2 Tuesdays. I had previously got all of these stickers in the gold on a $2 Tuesday, and then I was like, I need them in like the other foil colors, of course. So the next $2 Tuesday I picked them up. So I'll show you what I got here. So the first item I got here is the silver travel checklist. I already used the sticker that says book flights because it went with one of my spreads, but I love these, so pretty. These are the errands scripts here in silver foil. So you've got payday, shopping, budget, errands, date night, lazy day, and all of these ones are bill due. These are the sleep in with the eyelashes, so pretty. I also got them in the rose gold foil. Then I got these rose gold foiled work scripts, which I love using in my spreads. I've only got the gold at the moment. These are the white tech devices icons in silver foil. So you've got your cameras, printers, tablets, desktop, laptop, and iPhone. And then I also got it in the rose gold as well. Then these ones are super fun. These pamper sessions in rose gold. So great for when you're doing masks or like really taking time with your skincare or something like that. Love that. And then I also got the errand scripts in rose golds on white. And I also got these white kiss cut date dots and weekdays. Well, they're not really dots, they're really like cut around, so they are kiss cut. And then you got the date scripts as well. I love these. I've used the dots a lot in the gold already. Super pretty. And then the rose gold as well. The work scripts in silver. I should have organized these better. The planning time stickers in silver. I love these icons, so pretty. Another pamper session in silver, planning time in rose gold, glamour session for when you do makeup, getting ready in silver and rose golds. And then the last one here is the rose gold travel checklist. So I love that. So that is the $2 Tuesday stuff from Arctic Paper Studio. And then this is another little envelope here. She included some fun stuff here. So you've got, I got like a little party journaling card here. So pretty. Find inspiration every day. So really kind of her. She also always includes this little pen test sticker. This is a bow box, so you can test your pen before you use the stickers. This is the September freebie sampler. So you've got a flag label, a bow clip quarter box, half box, a flag, coffee cup, a planner, and a little iPhone there. Then this is like the business card, I guess, with more information about the paper and the foiling. And then she included some more little die cuts here, which is super fun, like rose gold foiled coffee cup filled with love, oh joy, and a little gift. So pretty and so kind of her. And then the next sheets that I got, one of my favorite sheets from her actually. These are the icon sampler sheets. I've got them in pink and white and charcoal, I believe, and I wanted to pick them up in lilac too because I found I'm using purple in a lot of my spreads. So I picked them up in gold, silver, and rose gold. And what they have on these is some bow clips. Then you've got the foiled laptops, some cute little bows, little mini hearts, coffee cups, these really mini confetti foil flags, which look like this, super pretty, and then 2 bow clip quarter boxes. So love those, and the foil is just amazing, of course, so pretty. And then she also included another 2 sheets, which is very kind of her. These are her foiled mini rose colorway weekly trackers, so habit trackers here with a silver foil. And I love how you got the days of the week and then you can tick them off so you don't have to cross the days of the week. Love that. So you got like some pink shades here, light to dark pink, and then you've got a bright red and a darker red there. And then she also included these silver foiled bill due stickers, and I love me a bill due sticker. Love that. So you can write the amount, what the bill's for, and then you can tick it off in the heart. Super pretty. Love those. So that's everything from Arctic Paper Studio. The next shop I've got here is Sticker Sis, which I am on the PR team for. these glossy stickers, and you can use my code naversas20 for 20% off, which also means that you get my exclusive freebie as well, which is really pretty, and I love that. So this is what I picked up. I picked up these photo word icons. I love using these for photos, for, you know, any sort of photos, but mostly for YouTube and Instagram stuff. So you got the script with the camera here, and you get heaps of colors from the darkest to the lightest of colors here, and it's all in glitter, and then you just get some camera icons as well, which I love using. The next sheet is probably my favorite sheet from her. This is the Instagram post sheet, and it has the half week and full week spreads, so it reminds you to take those photos, because I always forget, and I use these every week. I also picked up her flag labels, and this is a new colorway, so they're all glitter and they're the fall colors. So you've got like some deep purples, deep blues, lighter purple, green, gold, green, a lighter olivey green, and then some red and oranges here. Super pretty. I also picked up a set of date covers because these are so gorgeous and I don't have these ones. She makes such pretty date covers. These are the gold stroke date covers. So it's got like it's a watercolor swatch with like that gold chrome in it. So love that. So you get a pink, a blue, a deep red, which would be so nice for Christmas, and a black, which is probably my favorite. So pretty. And then the last sheet I got here, these little play date stickers, just super cute. Especially they're probably the best if you have children and you organize play dates with their friends. But these are really cute. I have some friends and family members that have like kids and babies, so I thought these would be a cute way to mark the time that I spend with them. So super cute. Love the blocks, how it's spelled out, play date, so adorable. So you get some big ones and then some mini ones as well, so I love that. That's everything from Sticker Sis. The next shop that I've got here is from Sticky Essentials. So this is part of my Same But Different Week order. If you don't know what Same But Different Week is, it is a planner group on Facebook, and we all use the same kit for the second week of the month, and it's really fun, and it's always linked in my description box. So this is the kit for September, and it's super pretty. I love the artwork on this and the way that Sticky Essentials put it together. This shop is on premium matte paper that really peels really easily, and it is an American shop, but her shipping is very inexpensive internationally. So yeah, great one to check out if you're international like me in Australia. So this is the full box sheet. It's very autumn, but it's like reading themes, so it's called Reading is Dreaming with Open Eyes. Love that quote. So you've got this girl reading a book on the couch, super pretty backpack, little notebook here, a little table, and then some, I guess that's probably like a pumpkin spice latte with a pumpkin donut. So super pretty, love that. Then this is the functional sheet here. So you have your checklist, a weekend banner, 2 weekly sidebar stickers. Then you have your icons here. There's a ton of those. They're like mini in size. You get 2 build yous and 2 to do checklists. This is the first time I ordered from Sticky Essentials, so this shop is new to me. The next page here, you have your appointment labels, and you get 4 flags, 4 quarter boxes, and then 8 half boxes. So some have the pattern dropped in the background and others are just solid colors. The next sheet here, you get your headers and your little things. So you get 8 meals, 8 TVs, 4 hearts, 4 asterisks, and 4 packages. Then you get your to do today, little things headers, along with exercise this week, next week to do work dinners, and another little things header. So super pretty, very different colors here. So these are the ombre checklists. And then this page is like a glitter sheet. You get your 2 large printed flags, you get 4 glitter flags, 2 quarter boxes, and then you get 4 sets of glitter headers, super pretty glitter quarter boxes, and then solid quarter boxes. Then the next page here, you get your date covers, which is super pretty. You get some printed flags, mini flags, you get a bunch of deco here, so cute, and then you get your date dots, which are huge. and then you get some little icons down the bottom here as well. And then the last page you get your washi strips, 2 habit trackers, and your bottom washi. So super pretty, love that kit. Then the next kit I got is, I don't remember the name of it, but this is the kit. So it's another autumn kit. So it's quote says cold weather and hot fashion. So very fashiony clip art here. You get some Burberry boots, trench coat, this girl holding a bag, a Celine bag, stack of fashion books and perfume, and then like, oh, Karl Daily, like Karl Lagerfeld, super cute. And then you get some pumpkins with little bear, a Machino bear, so super cute. So that's that. Then the setup is the same, so it's got a lot of functional stickers on this one, quarter boxes, half boxes, flags, headers and little things, ombre heart check boxes. Then you get the glitter page with all your functional stickers, then date covers, deco and date dots, and then the bottom washi strips and habit trackers. Super cute. And then because I didn't realize the glitter like sheet was part of the kit, I picked it up separately, so that was kind of a waste. But these, again, I picked up 2 of the glitter sheets, but I'm sure I'll use the glitter headers. You can always use those in other spreads. So that's that. And then the last kit here is from Scribble Prints Co. and it's the June and Mystery Ultimate Kit. I picked this up on Instagram, and because I was looking for this kit because I love this kit, and obviously I'm not subscribed to the Scribble Prints Co. mystery box, so I don't generally like everything she comes out with, so I was glad to pick this up. Other places you can get sort of kits that people are selling is the We Love EC marketplace. That's probably the best place and the most popular, but yeah, I'm super glad I got my hands on this kit because it's gorgeous. So this is the freebie sampler that comes with the kit. This is her fairy, like woodland fairy tale kind of themed kit. So this is the sampler here, so you get your SPC new releases, a movie marquee, an appointment label, another label, and then this label that says plan next week, super cute with a planner and some sticker sheets. Then you get some icons here, so you get a coffee cup, balloons, Happy Mail, doctor, vacuum cleaner, a detergent bottle, a washing machine, and some dollars. And then you get the cute little munchkins from Once More With Love. Super adorable. And because it was like a full kit, so you got like, I got all the extras. So this was the extra that came with the kit. They're little scribbler girls as fairies. So you get a ton of different hairstyles, hair colors, and skin tones here. And then you get some glitter stars. It also came with the glitter headers, so it's like a fine glitter that matches the glitter that's in the kit, all in gold, super pretty. And then this other extra here has all the fairies, and I really wanted this sheet with it because I just love this clip art here. So pretty, and it's exclusive clip art, so you couldn't get it anywhere else. So you get all the fairies sitting on a tree stump. Gorgeous. So you've got a girl with blonde hair, a girl with like darker skin or tan skin with brown hair, then a girl with darker deep skin with like dark brown hair, and then a girl with light skin and pink hair. So super pretty. And then you get now into the kit. So this is the first page of the kit. Don't know if she's reformatted her kit since this came out, but you get your 3 little flags at the top there. All of this deco, which is so pretty. You get this little book scene with the book ends that are bunnies, the fairy, like butterflies and deers and mushrooms, the little arrows, bunnies, acorns, flowers, feathers, a little typewriter, a little fox, a deer, this little tree, so pretty. So I love that. Then you get your icons here, date dots and time dots, which I love. These are the full boxes, which I adore, so pretty. So you get a close-up of the girl with pink hair, you get this quote box that says once upon a time, you get this little forest scene, I guess, with the animals and the tree and stuff. You get little typewriter, little mushrooms, this double box here with the books with the bunny bookends, and then this floral pattern as well. So pretty. Then this is a functional page, so you get your 2 weekly sidebar stickers, your weekend banner, 4 flags, 2 appointment labels, your mini icons, 2 3-hat checklist boxes, and then 7 checklists. And this page show you have your habit trackers, appointment labels, skinny appointment labels, 2 bill dues, quarter boxes, and your 8 half boxes. I love the patterns in these. These colors are really soft and pretty. Love them. And this page here you have your washi strips, which are all patterned. Then you get all your headers. So you do get 8 each of little things today and to do, and they're all color blocked headers. And then you get ones for your sidebars. You get family to clean this week, work, exercise, Etsy, YouTube, next week, school, important dinners and spending. The next sheet here you get 4 labels and then solid washi, and then you get your little things. So you get 8 meals, 8 TVs, 4 asterisks, 4 packages, 4 hearts, filming slate, $, doctor, and a gift. And these check boxes are amazing. I love the pattern in this and the gold glitter. It's probably one of the things that is so pretty, one of the most pretty things about this kit. So they're the check boxes. Then you do get the, so this is the washi sheet. So you get this beautiful bottom washi, which is so pretty. And then you get your date washi strips here. And then you do get an extra full box with the butterfly, which is really pretty. And then the person who was selling it with the, like the fit kit that went with it. So in this little fit kit you get your 8 meal tracker boxes, which I think fit into, yeah, an Erin Condren box. So you get breakfast, snack, lunch, snack and dinner in all the colors. And then this is the second page of that. You get 8 3-hat checklist boxes, 8 hydrate trackers, which are kind of thinner than a little thing. Then you get 8 like exercise trackers, another weekly sidebar sticker, and then 3 habit trackers here. So that is from Scribble.co, and that brings us to the end of this haul. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and then I'll leave all the links to the shops and any coupon codes I might have down below. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!